7 million Americans are now more than 90 days behind on their car loans, a number that mirrors the darkest days of the Great Recession. Some car models have become financial disasters. We're not talking about cheap beater cars. These are luxury models, recently made. Cars that once sold for $100,000 are now going for $35,000. Vehicles bought for $64,000 that dealers won't even take as trade-ins. These aren't relics of a distant era. These are 2023 and 2024 models that have imploded in value and nobody wants them. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the worst of the worst. The one vehicle that went from showroom star to almost worthless faster than anyone could have predicted. If you own one, I'm sorry. Let's talk about the 2024 Tesla Cybertruck. This was supposed to be Elon Musk's masterstroke, the futuristic pickup that would redefine what an electric truck could be. Early investors believed it would appreciate like fine art. In late 2023, some buyers were selling their early reservations for $150,000, believing they'd flipped into instant profit. The hype was real, and the demand seemed insatiable, but reality came crashing down. By 2025, the same Cybertrucks that changed hands for $150,000 were going for half that price. Tesla ramped up production aggressively, too aggressively. According to industry insiders, by 2025, there was months of unsold inventory sitting on lots haunting the company. Early adopters got their trucks, but demand evaporated. Trade-in offers tell the real story. One owner of a 6,000-mile Foundation Series Cybertruck, originally about $100,000, got a trade-in quote of $65,400, a 34 to 35% loss in just 1 year. Another owner, with 19,623 miles, saw their 2024 Cyber Beast, which cost around $127,000, valued at only $78,200 on trade-in. That's a 37 to 38% drop. Those losses far exceed the average. Most new cars lose about 30% of their value in 2 years, according to Kelley Blue Book. And it's not just anecdote. A recent analysis found used Cybertrucks lost 55% of their value year over year, with steep losses even in the span of a single month. So why the collapse? 1. Overproduction. Tesla overbuilt the Cybertruck, creating a glut of inventory. As Electric reports, that oversupply forced severe price cuts and trade-in offers. 2. Aggressive discounting. To move inventory, Tesla has reportedly offered discounts up to $10,000 on Cybertrucks. 3. Demand miscalculation. In Q3 2025, Tesla sold only 5,385 Cybertrucks, a 63% drop year over year, far below its own ambitious production targets. 4. Market sentiment and risk. Some experts point to Elon Musk's polarizing persona, negative headlines, and even vandalism of Cybertruck owners, all of which have dampened demand. 5. Resale risk for owners. Tesla only recently began accepting Cybertruck trade-ins, a move many suspect was delayed because they knew the depreciation was brutal. The Cybertruck's collapse isn't happening in a vacuum. It's part of a much bigger crisis in auto financing. Delinquency rates are sky high. According to the New York Fed, as of Q4 2024, 2.96% of all auto loans were 90-plus days past due, a serious delinquency rate not seen since 2010. Subprime borrowers are really getting hit. Fitch Ratings data shows over 6% of subprime auto loans are now 60 or more days past due, the worst in decades. Equifax data backs this up. Auto loan balances are at $1.576 trillion, and the severe delinquency rate, 60-plus days, reached 1.58% by March 2045. TransUnion also notes that while consumer financing is returning to pre-pandemic norms, the delinquency pressure remains high, especially among newer loans. Millions of Americans are struggling to pay for their cars. The financial strain on auto owners is worsening, and luxury models like the Cybertruck are particularly exposed. What does this all mean if you own one of these vehicles or are thinking of buying one? Early buyers thought they'd flip it for profit. Instead, many are facing massive losses or trapped in a depreciating asset. With trade-in values tanking, it's harder for owners to exit or trade up. As more people fall behind on loans, the risk of repossession or damaging credit ratings rises. Remember, delinquent auto loans are at record highs. The Cybertruck's collapse could be a canary in the coal mine, a tip-off that some parts of the EV bubble may be bursting. The Tesla Cybertruck, once a symbol of futuristic promise, has become a cautionary tale. A $100,000 icon that lost half its value in under 2 years. A financial bet gone wrong. And for a country already grappling with rising auto delinquencies, for millions who are behind on payments, the Cybertruck isn't just a failed experiment. It's another piece of a much bigger problem. If you own one, you're not alone, but you might also be sitting on a loss.